Hopi, did you go poo-poo in the toilet? Hope, did you go poo-poo in the big toilet? Look. Look in there. Look in there. Did you do that? Ew. That's disgusting.
I didn't.
Here. Let's see. You sure?
No.
You sure you didn't do that?
No.
Here, why don't you hold it? Hopi, 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 Hopi. Hopi, Hopi, Hopi. Hopi, it's fake. It's fake. It's fake. It's fake. It's a toy. It's a toy. It's a toy. It's a poopy toy.
Did you put it in there? Did you buy this?
Yeah, it's Aunt Val bought it for you.
Did you put it in there?
Did I fool you?
Why did you put it in there? Why did you put it in there? Why did you put it in there, Daddy?
Do you think that's funny?
Poop toy. I'm gonna put it in there to joke you.
Okay. Can you say thanks, Auntie Val?
Thanks, Auntie Val.
Thanks for my turn, Auntie Val.
Thank you for my turn, Auntie Val. You open the potty now.
Okay.
A poop toy is funny.
It is funny, isn't it?
Yeah, I can place it in my playroom
Yes, you can.
before we go upstairs. That joke is funny. You tricked me. When I came home, I saw the poop in the toilet. Why did you put it in there? Why did you put it in there?
Why do you think?
Because you wanted to trick me.
Yeah, I was telling a joke.
And did Auntie Val think it was funny?
I'm going to send this video to her, and she'll think it's hilarious.
Why did she give me this poop toy?
Because she knows you think poo-poo is funny.
Yeah, we can play with this.
Yeah, you and Auntie Val can play with poop toys.
Poop toys are funny.
They are funny. Okay, say thanks, Auntie Val.
Thanks, Auntie Val, for this poo-poo toy.